In this video, we will learn to fix Messenger could not load conversation. So let's begin. So to fix the error of Messenger could not load conversation, what you have to do is just go to your mobile settings. Here it is. Once your mobile settings are open, just scroll down below and search for apps or application manager. In my case, this is apps. In your case, it might be application manager. So just go and tap on it. Once you have opened it, in my case, all the applications are listed already. In your case, you might have to swipe twice left to get all the applications listed. Once all the applications are listed, just scroll down below and search for Messenger. Here it is, so just go and tap on it. And here, on this screen, you might get an option of clear data. In my case, I will get this option in storage. So I will just go in storage and here tap on clear data. Tap OK. Go back. Once you have done so, just go and close your settings and just go and try to access the Messenger. In most of the cases, your error will be solved. If the error is still there, what you can do is so you can see that it is logging in without any error, and you would see that I can just go and tap on any conversation to see it. There is no issue with that. So you can see here it is. Okay. If the error is still there, what you have to do is just go and open your Play Store. And here search for Messenger. Here it is from the Facebook. And here what you have to do is just go and uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, here will be an option of install. So just go and uninstall first and then again install it. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.